Okay, so we're in 5.2, and the first slide is review, so I'm going to skip to the second slide. So what's going to happen here is they're asking, is the square root of -4 times the square root of -9 equal to the square root of -4 times -9? They're basically asking you, does it matter if I square root before I multiply? Does it matter if I square root before I multiply? You should already know the answer because of something that you learned back in yeah, I don't know. I want to say fourth grade is when you first learn order of operations, and it should tell you. Okay, so anyways, so we did this. We know that the square root of -1 is I. So the square root of -4 is the square root of -4 is I, because the square root of -1 is I. So we pull that guy out, and then the square root of 4 is just 2I. So you guys did the same thing here, and it's 3I. And when you multiply these two, you actually get 6I squared, which becomes -6, right? So now I wanted you guys to do this. So now do this one. What is it telling, according to order of operations, what is it telling you to do first? Yeah, multiply. Very good. So then that turns into dun, 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 the square root of, I'm ignoring the square root for now. And then this is just 36, what is the square root of 36? Yeah, it's just 6. Okay, last time I checked, they're asking you this question. Is -6 equal to 6? Everyone says, no way, Jose, right? So the answer is no, and the reason is because of PEMDAS. So let me write out PEMDAS for you really quick, just in case, so I can point to it and you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so when I'm talking about PEMDAS, in this one here, it's telling you to square root. Where is square root here? He's hidden. He is a hidden guy. But if you remember how to rewrite square roots, you know where he is. So where is square roots in this? Is he parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction? Yeah. Oh, can you publicly chat that, hun? Very good. So someone said in the chat, hey, Ms. Johnson, it's an exponent. And if you don't remember why, just remember that we write the square root of x is equal to x to the what? X to the something. X to the something goes here. X to the what? I didn't leave myself enough room to write in there. Boop. I'll put it in a different color so it stands out. It's x to the 1/2. Do you guys remember that? 1/2. Yeah. Is that okay? So this 2 here is the denominator here. This 2 here is your denominator here. So yeah, so do you see how, like, look at where E and M are? There's a clear order of operations there. Like, first do exponents, then you can do multiplication, right? So you can't switch those two. It's not like multiplication and division, like 4 over, I don't know, 5 times 15 over 2, right? I can switch around my multiplication and division here. Like I can say, okay, I'm going to do 4 divided by 2, and then I'm going to do 15 divided by 3, and then I'm going to multiply those two things together. I can exchange those because that's what multiplication and division do. They're exchangeable. Like, for example, making your bed or brushing your teeth. It doesn't matter which one you do. But here, clearly, exponents and multiplication, it's a clearly socks then shoes deal, right? It's clearly a socks then shoes deal. There's a lot of things that you guys have throughout your day, right? That it's a socks and shoes kind of deal, or really, it's just a make your bed or brush your teeth kind of deal. Does that make sense? So again, that's another pattern that I'd like you to think about as you go throughout your day. So the answer here is going to be no. No, it is not the same, and you can kind of prove why it's not the same here. Okay. I'm gonna stop this video